Today I'm going to be talking about a platform that I've been using for a little while now. It might help you out, especially if you're just getting started selling your own online courses. This comes with a free plan that allows you to create a single course, but I'll go through that in a little bit. And I'll show you just the front page. As you can see, it's pretty simple as you just need to basically click that get started free to sign up. Now, the reason why I ended up choosing this particular platform is that I watched a whole bunch of different reviews and things online and just comparing different course platforms. This one, there was also Teachable, a few others as well. There's another one called Learn Worlds and various plugins that you can add on to your WordPress with external video hosting. And it kind of gets a bit over the top when you're using all these WordPress plugins and external hosting and all this kind of thing. So I thought it'd be best to just pick something that has it all in the same place so that you don't have to continually work out who's hosting your videos, where's the course landing page, all that kind of thing. So anyway, here are their plans, and I've set this to annual. Of course, you can pay monthly for their basic and all their other plans here, $49 a month, but you get a bit off, I think 25% off, it says there, if you pay yearly. The cool thing though with their free plan is that it comes with so much value. And I think really this is the best platform to get started with, especially if you just have one course that you want to release and maybe even try out. And the best thing, you've got this 0% transaction fee, and a lot of course platforms take from 2.5 to 10% of the price of your course every time you make a sale. So that's something really unusual, and they've held that feature of their plans for, well, the whole time that I've used it, for a couple of years. So I think they've changed a few of the other conditions that used to be 3 courses. So with the free plan, you get a course, one community, which is kind of like a group where you can post results and get people to upload their work, give them feedback. You can also have a couple of spaces within those communities, so maybe subtopics. One administrator, unlimited students, so you can continually just sell this course over and over again. And there are no transaction fees. The only fee that you'll pay is by linking Stripe and PayPal every time you make a sale, and payments are made through those 2 platforms. They do charge a fee, so you have to look at the PayPal and Stripe website to see how much that is. I can't remember what they are right now. And you've also got email and chatbot support. And I've used this a couple of times to get some help when first setting this up and adding in some custom code in there as well. So they've been very helpful. You can see here, 100% ownership of content, drag and drop course builder. I'll show you a bit about what that looks like later on. There's website themes as well. There's a whole bunch of these apps that you can add on. So you can add on Google Analytics, for example, if you want to see where your traffic's coming from. And with the other plans, the biggest feature is that you get unlimited courses, even just on the basic plans. So you also get a few other additional features like custom domain. You get coupons and discounts and affiliate selling, so you can set up affiliates if you have people that are willing to market your courses for you. You've also got the start and the grow plan. If your course starts taking off and you're making lots of sales, you might want access to additional features like extra spaces in your community. There's also things like bundles, add-on packages, memberships as well. If you want to set up a membership, recurring payment every month for your customers. You've also got things like live lessons, live webinars, and I think that's something that's quite popular these days and quite engaging to an audience. I run them on Facebook. So this is what it looks like when you sign up. Initially, there won't be anything in there. You have to click create a new course, and basically I'll select one. This is my main course that I use and sell. And you can see here down the left hand side, you can actually create these different chapters. So click add chapter, and in each chapter you can have a separate course or subsection of a course. For example, this one here, I've got loose watercolor painting essentials. I can expand that out, and each area here I've just got a separate video for this particular course. I've also got a section here where I've got course resources. So basically things like the scans of my paintings, the stencils, where people can trace photographs, reference photos. So you can upload that as well as part of your course. Continues down, you can see all of the courses, all the sort of subsections that I have in this program. You actually can go into this area here called bulk importer as well. You can actually select files, upload them directly, a whole bunch of videos at the same time, so you don't have to do them one by one, and then they'll just appear down the side there. When you go to the curriculum, you can reorder them, rename them so that they look a little bit nicer. But that's just something if you want to, leave it overnight to upload, for example. So there's a few settings that you can change around as well. So you can change the course URL. You can go in and change the image and the description of your course. So I just went and created my own thumbnail there for the course. It gives you the suggested dimensions. Also, you have course description, edit the SEO as well. So it includes similar information in there so it can be found. We've got things like the course player appearance. There's a whole bunch of things that you can customize in there and certainly like play around with. And, even with the free plan, you do get quite a lot of wiggle room. So here under pricing, you can alter the price of your course. So you can select like a one-time payment. If you end up signing up for their start plan, there's a few other additional options that you can choose from. You can see here subscription, membership, monthly payment plan. What I've actually done is that I've upgraded on certain months where I'm running a program and trying to sell the course actively, and that will allow you access those particular options for those months. So you can do it that way, pay month by month, and activate the additional features when you need them and revert back to the free option. You can also create free courses. So that one there, offer free content to your subscribers. Option that you can set an enrollment duration that will limit the time students have access to your content. So here as well, just a few other bits and pieces. You can select the published draft course status over here. Here I have a little landing page and some course instructions that shows up when someone first signs into it, and you can go through and select all the other courses. For example, this one here, it's like beach landscapes. So you can go down, select a video, any video from any subsection, and it will load here on the right hand side, as you can see, and just plays. You can also click this little icon on the side, then the viewers can change the speed and the quality of the video as well. If they want to reduce the resolution or increase the resolution, it takes 1080p, which is fantastic. Back on the login page, we can see there's a few other bits and pieces there. You can access the communities, memberships, bundles, your entire video library, so all the previous courses, videos, content, uploads that you've added in. A useful area here is design your site. So you're going to need to have some type of landing page if you're going to sell a course. So you can actually come into here, create a custom page, and also link it to the different courses that you have in there. So for example, I've got this one here. We can go into there, edit the page itself. And this is what the page builder looks like. You see here on the left-hand side, there's just these little things here. You can click add section. There's a whole bunch of things you can choose, additional products, all categories, all pricing options. There's a banner you can add to the top of the page, countdown timer, call to action, image gallery, social proof, logos. There's text as well. I think this one here, text and media, it's very customizable. You can go in there and you can even add in your own custom code. You can even have a video that just plays on your landing page, which is great. So you can see how I've designed mine. I've put a gallery in there, put some course reviews, previous course reviews in there, a few call to actions in there as well. So it's a pretty decent builder. And, I've designed mine in a simple sort of way. I'm probably going to rebuild it and change it up, to something better as time goes by. It's fantastic because it makes it all convenient. You've got access to the videos. It hosts the videos for you, and also the website. And if you want to link it to a custom domain name, you can do that as well. I don't have that set up for mine at the moment. I have my blog and website set separately from my course platform. So that's just how I've kept it for the time being. But it is an option. And, I think this app section as well, I'll just click on there so you can have a look what's in it. But there's a whole bunch of different additions and plugins. Like I mentioned before, Google Analytics. There's a few things like you can add your Facebook pixel in there, a few other things here and there that you can add in. You just follow, go down. So that's basically it. I hope this was helpful for you, especially if you're looking to get started creating some kind of course online. It's, my opinion, it's the best free option available out there, especially if you've only got one course. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll leave some links in the comments as well if you want to find out a bit more about Thinkific. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you click the like button. And if you want to see me make some more of these type of tutorials or introduction videos, make sure you subscribe.